Hello and welcome back. A lot of men over 50 or 60 often say that with age, they start feeling less energy, less motivation, and sometimes even problems with blood flow in intimate areas. But here's the good news. Certain foods can help improve circulation, boost energy, and give you back that vitality you've been missing. That's why today, I'll share 5 powerful breakfast ideas that are easy to include in your routine and can make a big difference in your energy, testosterone support, and intimate health. You'll definitely want to stay with me until the end. You won't want to miss this. But first, let me ask you, how old are you and when did you first notice your energy and vitality starting to decline? Have you felt any issues with intimate circulation? And what have you tried so far to improve it? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. And tell me also, from which part of the world are you watching this video? And if you know someone who could benefit from this, maybe a friend or family member, please share this video with them. Also, hit that like button right now. It really helps the channel and shows YouTube that you trust my content. Now let's dive into these breakfast ideas. When we talk about intimate circulation, energy and performance, 2 things are absolutely essential. First, getting enough protein. Second, supporting the body's production of nitric oxide, a compound that helps widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. Protein is key because it supports muscle growth, and more muscle means better testosterone levels. And nitric oxide, on the other hand, is directly connected to circulation, including in intimate areas. So here are 5 breakfast ideas that combine these elements. First, Greek yogurt with walnuts and ground flaxseed. Greek yogurt is rich in high-quality protein, especially leucine, which switches on muscle building in the body. Walnuts add healthy fats and arginine, an amino acid that boosts nitric oxide production and improves circulation. Flaxseed brings fiber and plant-based omega-3, which are great for your heart and blood vessels, a simple but powerful way to start your day. Second, scrambled eggs with spinach and mushrooms. Eggs are one of the best complete sources of protein you can eat. Adding spinach makes it even better. Spinach is loaded with natural nitrates that quickly turn into nitric oxide in the body, enhancing blood flow to muscles and pelvic organs. Mushrooms bring antioxidants that protect your cells from oxidative stress. Plus, it tastes delicious and keeps you full for hours. Third, berry smoothie with whey protein and chia seeds. Perfect for busy mornings. Blend strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. Frozen is fine and often more affordable. These berries are packed with flavonoids and anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect your heart and support circulation. Add a scoop of whey protein for muscle growth and some chia seeds for extra fiber, omega-3, and satiety. As for the base, you can use skim milk, almond milk, or whatever you prefer. By the way, what type of milk do you usually drink? Tell me in the comments. Fourth, whole grain toast with avocado and egg, a savory option that combines healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Avocado provides monounsaturated fats that improve cholesterol levels and protect blood vessels, supporting circulation, including intimate circulation. Pair it with a whole grain or low-carb bread to avoid blood sugar spikes that can interfere with testosterone production. Add an egg on top, poached, scrambled, or boiled for extra protein and satisfaction. Fifth, turmeric-ginger tea with egg white omelet and cheese. This is a lighter breakfast but still filling. The tea combines turmeric, ginger, and a pinch of black pepper, making it a powerful anti-inflammatory drink that boosts circulation, immunity, and overall well-being. Pair it with a protein-rich egg white omelet and a little cheese to start your day energized and satisfied. So there you have it. 5 easy and delicious breakfast ideas to support testosterone, energy, and intimate circulation after 60. Which one of these breakfasts sounds the most appealing to you, or do you have your own favorite that helps you feel energized in the morning? Leave me a comment. I'd love to know. And don't forget, Hit the like button, share this video with someone who could benefit, and always talk to your doctor before making health decisions. If you want to keep learning, check out my other videos like Urgent, Prostate in Danger, 5 Foods you need to cut out right now, and 12 Foods that can reverse fatty liver disease fast. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end. I pray for health and life for all of us. Let's keep working together to protect our well-being. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.